Good morning, Year 11. Today is lesson 4. We're going to look at calculating the probability for complementary events. Now remember, an event E is an outcome or a collection of outcomes, and the complement of an outcome is all of the outcomes in the sample space not included in E. So you could say that if you're finding the probability of rolling a 1 with a die, then the complement of that is not rolling a 1. So not rolling a 1 is or rolling a 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So the way we designate it is the complement of the event is that event with a bar over the top of it like that. So the complement of the net E is all the outcomes in the sample space not included in E, which means that the probability of E plus the probability of the complement of E is 1, because we're asking what is the possibility of something happening or it not happening. Well, it must do one of those things. It must either happen or not happen. So again, if we rearrange, then the probability of the event not happening is 1 minus the probability of the event happening. And similarly, the probability of an event happening is equal to 1 minus the probability of the event not happening. Okay, so let's have a look. The sample space is the number of outcomes in E plus the number of outcomes in the complement of E. So the number of elements in the sample space is equal to the number of elements or the number of outcomes in E plus the number of outcomes that aren't in E. Right, let's have a look at here. Our example, list all possible outcomes when a 6-sided die is rolled. That's just our sample space. S equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have left this logic here out of the Oxford book for you to read as well if you prefer. It says, what is the complement of the event rolling a 6? So the complement of rolling a 6 is not rolling a 6. So not rolling a 6 is the same as rolling a 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So if our event is, our sample space for our event is 6, then the sample space for not rolling a 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next question is rolling an even number. Now, rolling an even number is rolling a 2, a 4, or a 6. That's our sample space. Not rolling an even number is rolling a 1, a 3, and a 5. So again, there's some language up over here regarding that. What is the complement of the event rolling a number less than 3? Well, the event of rolling a number less than 3, E, the sample space is 1 and 2. So the sample space of not rolling 1, the complement is rolling a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Finally, we're being asked for the complement of the event not rolling a 4. So not rolling a 4, this is a bit trickier. The event is not rolling a 4. So the event's rolling a 1, a 2, a 3, a 5, or a 6. So the complement of not rolling a 4 is rolling a 4. And our sample space is E. Our sample space of our complement of not rolling a 4 is simply 4. Come down here and have a look at our example 2. We've got a fair-sided die is rolled. Find the probability of rolling a 6, that should say. So probability of rolling a 6 is 1 on 6. There's 1, 6 on the side of a die. There's 6 different numbers. All of our probabilities when we roll a die are out of 6. And then the next question is rolling, over here we look at the second part, not rolling a 6. So not rolling 6 is our complement. So what we saw up here was our probability of the complement was 1 minus the probability of the event. So we use that when we come down here. We've got 1 minus this 1 on 6. So it is 1 minus 1 on 6 equals 5 on 6. The probability of rolling an even number. So the probability of rolling an even number is the probability of rolling a 2, a 4, or a 6. So we're rolling a 2, a 4, or a 6, which is over here. A 2, a 4, or a 6. So our probability is 3 on 6, or a half. 1 on 2 we simplify it. Now, probability of not rolling an even number is the complement of rolling an even number, which is rolling a 1, a 3, or a 5. Again, with our odds, it's 1 minus the probability of rolling an even number. And so that is equal to 1 minus a half, which is also equal to a half. Exercise or example C, rolling a number less than 3. The probability of rolling a number less than 3, we are rolling a number 1 or 2. So we've got 2 chances out of 6. It's 2 on 6 or 1 on 3. The complement of, or the probability of not rolling a number less than 3 is the complement of that, which is rolling a number 3, 4, 5, or 6. We can also work it out 1 minus the probability of rolling a number less than 3. So that is 1 minus a third equals 2 thirds. And that is written in here as well as far as our think and our outcomes. Example 3. Calculate the probability of event E, or the complement of E. This has got a bar over it. Event of complement of E, if the probability of E is 0.24. So our probability of the complement of E not occurring, is 1 minus the probability of E. 1 minus 0.24 is 0.76. So again, that's there. And then finally, calculate the probability of the complement of event E if PE equals 5 on 6. So what we've got there is P, the complement of event E, P, probability of the event of complement of event E is 1 minus the probability of E. They've told us probability E is 5 on 6. So it's 1 minus 5 on 6, which is 1 on 6. And again, that logic is in here. Looking at example 4, we have Lisa selects a card at random from a normal pack of cards. Find the probability of obtaining the following outcomes. So our normal pack of cards, we've got 52 of them. We've got 4 suits. We've got 3 picture cards in each suit. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got. We want not a 10. So there are 4 10s. So our probability of rolling a 10 is 4 on 52, which is what I've got here. Probability of rolling a 10 is 4 on 10, 4 on 52, which is 1 in 13. So the complement of that, the probability of not rolling a 10 is simply 1 minus 1 on 13 is 12 on 13. The probability of not rolling a black jack. Again, there are 2 black jacks. We've got the jack of spades and the jack of clubs. So our probability is 2 over 52, which simplifies to 1 on 26. The probability of not rolling a black jack is therefore 1 minus the probability of rolling a black jack. 1 minus 1 on 26 is equal to 25 on 26. Finally, not a picture card. We look at the probability of a picture card. There are 4 suits and there are 12 in each. There are 4 suits, there are 3 in each suit. So there's 12 in total out of 52. So the probability of not rolling a picture card is 1 minus probability of rolling a picture card. 1 minus 12 on 52 equals 40 on 52. Simplify that to be 10 on 13. Now that looks as if that is the end of the theory I've got in for today. Please have a go now at the exercises for today, which are in your OneNote under today's date, exercise 5E. So have a go at these ones which are marked with yellow. If you've got any problems, send me an email.